One thing about men, they will always choose themselves, Kesana. Men will always choose themselves without even thinking twice about it, They will always choose their happiness. They will always put themselves first, guys. I don't know why we never learn. We never learn, Shem. So, guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe, like, and also comment down below. Now, guys, today we are talking about Dennis Zimba. As some of you guys know, her husband cheated on her with her best friend, guys. Best friend, best bomba. I am a daughter son. I was sabi. So okay, the husband cheated with the best friend, and then they are now officially in a relationship. And guess what? This man took Dennis Zimba to court. Why? Because he wants to have full custody of the kids. Like, how do you go about that? How do you hurt someone even further? It's like putting salt in a wound. Sana pakat kweslonda. But yes, the husband is taking the kids. This is what was posted by Women for Change on Twitter. They said, Women for Change stands with Dennis Zimba, who has been relentlessly fighting to keep her two young daughters in South Africa, the only home they truly know. The Johannesburg High Court ruled in favor of Dennis's estranged husband, allowing him to take their daughters. Like, why? Such young kids, they will be now staying without their mother. And also the court should have just looked at both sides. I don't know what ruling did they think, what ruling did they take ezobacabangisa ukuthi these kids are better off without their mom. I'm just confused. But Osana Ugel is currently going through a lot. We are just keeping her in our prayers. Guningi sana. When they say money and power can buy you anything, I think this is what they meant, sana. Because once you don't have power, guys, thank you so much for watching.